time we do a refresh on everything. Get this bad girl cleaned up, because everybody's in love with the car. I love the car, but it kills me knowing how clean I always had it, how good looking it always was, to she's looking like a beat up old girl. That's not how I roll, man. Spent a lot of money and time. This is my pride and joy. I want to fix everything up. Excuse the markings, that's the face mask. I don't want to be breathing in that dust. It's been literally almost 2 years now that the car's been all beat up. I've gone ahead and buzzed down everything so it can access more of the damage. As you can see here, I had the gas cap door deleted. All the cracking around it from the bodywork done to block it off. But we'll be sure to get this lower, do whatever we got to do, prime this section. If you guys don't know, I had an accident about 2 years ago. I had freshly repainted the whole car, and I had my aluminum fuel cell in the front crack and release literally 5 gallons of alcohol, igniting the whole car on fire. That's why she's looked beat up for quite a while. I said, well, I'm not gonna paint it until we fix it and make it run. But I don't know, I kind of have a different idea in mind now that we have a little bit of time. Go ahead and clean her up a little bit. I'm not sure on the color, I'm not sure on the idea. We got a couple things working right now, but this is just one side for now. I'm gonna go ahead, do a final maybe 800,000 grit, check everything out, prime the sections that are showing primer, Bondo as well. Fix this lower rocker that's been driving me nuts. All the tire shakes have been destroying everything, all the cracking on the car, everything has just been driving me nuts. But you can see all the tire shakes. I literally had a sticker over this during the weekend because the tire shakes kept destroying everything, and then next thing you know, it just kept looking worse and worse. But I can't take it no more. I can't keep looking at it like this. So I figured we'd do a little something to get her looking a little better. Maybe she'll behave a little bit and stop breaking parts and run a 6.
Ladies and gentlemen.
got the bumper mataperro off. Basically got her stripped down. Still got the tail lights, all the accessories, wheelie bars, parachute to take off, but I'll get to that later. This is pretty much the worst condition fender. Do some body work there, prime everything. What I'm thinking about doing is just doing the body work, priming the fender, doing the other fender, priming it, priming the lower part of the doors just to have them primed. They don't really need it, but I would like to do it. Getting this fender cleaned up. There's a little dent right here. Fixing this little dent here, priming the fender. I'll block it up, make it look good here. There's a couple areas of Bondo exposed, so prime the door. I really want to get this fixed. All the tire shakes and stuff, everything cracking. Down low, everything cracking. So really want to get that quarter panel fixed, but we'll see where we end up at. All right, as you guys saw previously, I was sanding the car down. We took it to a good friend of my father's, old school guy. He goes by Carlos Puya. He took the whole front end, basically stripped everything back down but baby smooth. Did both fenders, the lower grill part, the center part. He lined these gaps up that they were always way off. He got that looking great. Come over here, the other fender. I also had him hit this lower part of the door because it had a lot of damage due to the fire. Everything but baby smooth. This side of the quarter panel was basically destroying itself with the tire shakes. It had chunked all that down there and a little bit up here. He went through, fixed it, primed it up. Basically, she's ready for the wrap. A couple of little things to check over, touch up, but we're gonna wrap this thing and just change everything up. So you can see here a little crack from where the gas tank cap used to be. The old gas door used to be there. A couple other little silly things, but that's just a quick 400. Leave everything ready. That's pretty much it. On the road we go.
I think I'm more impressed with the...
All right, Johnny boy, what are we doing here?
All right, guys. Well, deep below, Papa, what we're doing with the breakfast.
Here we go, in character.
No, we are rapping today. I got a couple of beats laid out. I got a couple of drums ready to hit. Got a couple of bars to lay. But we're rapping. We are rapping. We're rapping Fast Girl because we're going 6s in May. So she has to look good.
All right. Plug the business.
Mine or yours?
Yours.
Saltwater Print and Wraps, Infinite Design Co. I'm about to partner up on a golf cart rental business, Just Pure Water, maybe turning into Rogue. I mean, you name it, I really do it. Flat glass, shade experts. You know, we're really doing it. You know?
Where we located?
Currently, Bradenton. Oh, I'm in Ellington or Parrish. I'm in Parrish, Florida, the best damn rap company in America.
What's the number?
Google me, and you'll know. Google me.
All right. We got Tanner.
Yes, sir.
Homeboy's probably be doing most of it because John's lazy.
Actually, let me see the camera.
Yeah, let him go, bro.
Let's see the camera. Actually, hello. Now let's ask you the question. Let's ask you the question. How do you feel about your baby getting wrapped?
I just saw that little piece and I was already satisfied. I was about to tell him leave it alone.
So you're about to have your new baby wrap. 6-second club with a pearl white.
Yeah, no, it feels so real. It feels fake.
I didn't
think I'd be rapping it, to be honest.
Really? Imagine this. White going pearl white. This guy.
Yeah.
He didn't want to go blue. Look at that. Shoo! Oh, well, I'm more than happy to show these people what you did to my monstrosity. Elliot decided it was cool to sand all of this after I already cleaned it. But look at this. Look at all this. He tried to clean it off. But look at all that. All that dust. Look at my ground. Look at all the ground. This guy is relentless. He's just sitting there the whole time. Oh my God, my shop's a mess. I didn't realize how bad my shop is. That's because we work. Look at this guy. He's actually working.
Trying to make you guys' life easier.
Much appreciated. We're trying. We do junior dragster wrap as well. Let us know. Let us know.
Switch it up.
Kids, he's having.
I think their carts are overpriced.
For this guy?
No. American Heart.
Zero. 1. 2. 3. Let's get started.
Oh, that's real good. You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
Well, here's the final result for now. We gotta get the bumpers painted up. We were gonna wrap them. Kind of ran out a little bit of time. But this thing looks exactly how I used to. I'm super happy with the result. Big thank you to Jonathan and Tanner. They killed it, man. Elroy on the tent. He didn't do my driver window. I fell asleep on that, so I couldn't get his ass. But I'll catch him next time. This thing looks night and day difference. Oh my God, I'm in love again. So happy and so grateful for these opportunities, meeting these people, having the help that we get. This thing looks amazing. Back at home, first look, John got the bumper wrapped up. I just couldn't wait to see it on. Something about the glossy bumpers on these starlets that just have my heart. I used to have it satin. At first it was glossy, then I made it satin with the stripes on the side satin, but now everything glossy again. Jesus Lord. Looks beautiful. I'm in love once again. You can literally see, man, the night and day difference. This wrap is crazy how it just shines. It's got some orange peel to it. Like, it's obvious it's paper, it's film. Like, you stretch it. But, like, it's not terrible. Got the back windows tinted up. Thanks to Elroy. I gotta wrap the rear bumper tomorrow. It was getting late. I'm about 2 hours away. I'm in Orlando. He's in Bradenton. So tomorrow I'm gonna be wrapping up the bumpers, the lower part of the rockers on these cars. They're originally black down there. And just going through with a couple details just to finalize the product. But I'm super happy, man.